Okay guys, we got a 2008 Chevy Express van here. We're going to be changing the headlight. Unlike most of the other Chevys, the newer ones, this does not have the bulb. We're changing the entire lens. And so here's the lens that I went with. It is an H6054. You can pick them up for about 17 bucks. So the back side of it has a 3-prong. We're going to unplug it. Pretty easy to unsnap. Right there. Just pull it straight out of its home. Let me let you look. Those 3 prongs. So just pull it straight out of its home. And then if you want to double check this wiring, this one's pretty grummy here. You can wiggle it. And if it comes on when you wiggle it, then it may not be the bulb. It could be this wiring. And you just pop this tab, lift this up. You'll have that yellow wire will run across right like that. You can check it. Then there's 2 other ones that make a connection. Just push them down. And you can actually leave this tab up while you have it plugged in and push down on them one at a time, see if the light comes on. In this case, it's our bulb. So we got 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, one here. Now you don't want to get that adjusting screw right there. We're not going to do that screw. We're going to take the outer 4 screws here off. So, and I got a little magnetic tip here to catch the screws for me when it comes out. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Screws out. Now that trim just comes off just like that. And then of course the bulb comes out because we have it unplugged. So we'll throw the old bulb there. Now we'll get the new bulb, set it back in, put the trim back on, 2 top screws, 2 bottom screws, and then we'll go back to the plug. Okay, so I got those 4 screws back in. Now before I put this on, I got my air hose here. I'm gonna spray this out really good right here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but we'll try. So I just wanna clean it real good. I'm going to use 2 hands. You can see chunks of it already flying off, and I want to get down inside there real good. If I don't feel like I got it clean enough, I'll spray it with a little bit of contact cleaner, and then I'll spray it again with the air. Like a mass airflow sensor, that works good, or I wouldn't use brake cleaner, but there's electric contact cleaner you can use. So that cleaned it up pretty good. I hit it with a little bit of mass airflow sensor cleaner that I did have, and hit it with air, and that cleaned it up nicely. Now the outside's clean. Let's double check the inside. I'm going to go ahead and pop this cap, let you see those wires, and we'll spray in there too. I'm a little bit worried with the size of the gap that's in there. If it's loose on there, if one of the prongs is loose, it can vibrate, causing friction, some static, some not static, but it can cause that bulb to go out. And I think they said they had a problem with the low beam going out, and they've changed their bulb a few times now in the last 6-8 months or something. Something to that effect. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and we'll clean it up. Phillips screwdriver, and there is a little bit of dirt down in there, not a whole lot, but I notice right here this is a little wore. These tabs help push that down. If you have to put something in here like I don't know, a small piece of plastic or something, cut it out of a milk jug, just so it's a little thicker, it'll help push those down if you feel they're not making contacts. Or you can pull them out and kind of squeeze them closed a little more with a pair of pliers as well. In this case, I just think it needs cleaned up way down inside there. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it out, and then we'll put her back together. I noticed a little bit after cleaning that out, there was dirt on these tabs and they slid down a little further. So very well could have been the problem. But let's go ahead and get it put back on now. I can't see it and do it, but give it a shot here. That's it. All right, let me turn on the headlights, give it a try. Go. Now she's working. We'll hit the brights. She is good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.